Hi, this is Priya John. Welcome to the new edition of the cookbook. Today I am going to teach you how to make finger snacks, which is easy to make and delicious to eat. So shall we start? 2 tablespoons of butter, that is 2 cups of sweet corn. Saute the sweet corn and the butter together for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, that is 3 tablespoons of milk. And stir it well. 50 grams of shredded cheese, that is 2 tablespoons of olives shredded, 1 teaspoon chilies, 1 tablespoon of shredded thyme, and mix well. The cheese is melting well. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, and the finely chopped onions. Cook it for another 2 minutes. We add in the corn and the milk mixture for thickening and binding of all the ingredients. The corn mixture is done. We keep it aside to cool, and let's start making the caramelized onions. 2 tablespoons of butter, lengthwise onions. We have cooked the onions for 5 minutes. The corn mixture has cooled down, and now we shall place it on each of the canopies. The cheesy corn with caramelized onions are ready. Please like the video and subscribe to the cookbook channel. Thank you. Now I am going to teach you all a very good delicacy of lotus stem batata varas. Now I am going to teach you how to make vegetable masala toast. Guys, today I am going to teach you how to make farali aloo ki sabji.